everyone, welcome to Cooking with Finn. Today we're going to make beef stroganoff. Sing those ABCs, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Wash your hands with me. And now for the apron. Wait. This is right. Let's get the water boiling. You'll need a pot with a strainer to fill it up. There's an old saying, a watched pot never fills. Add some salt to the water and go get your ingredients. Egg noodles from the pantry, mushrooms, cream cheese, parsley, thyme, and steak from the fridge. Wait, you can get thyme from the fridge? Counters don't stop me. My ninja training finally pays off. I'm gonna grab garlic and onions, Worcestershire, that stuff. Set up your cutting board and knife. Wait, what knife? Peel as much skin as you can off of the garlic, then smash them to get all the skin off. Smash, smash, smash! Cut the hard ends off of each clove and chop them up finely. Next, take a paper towel and clean off any dirt on your mushroom and chop them up. Where do I put them? Oh yeah! In my mouth. Eat your vegetables, kids. Check the water to see if it's boiling and use hot pads so you don't burn yourself. Aichi, wow, that's hot. Not boiling yet. There's an old saying that says a watched pot never boils. That might be the real saying. We have to carefully chop up our onions. See those pockets there? They make you cry. It's not because they're mean, it's because of the gases in them. I'm actually crying. Gas. Ow, it's like a hurt cry. Heat up some olive oil in your pan. Use your trusty spatula or a wooden spoon. Give me your trusty spatula. Give me your trusty spatula. Keep your germs to yourself. Stop spitting at me. And saute your onions and garlic until they're soft. Today I'm using leftover steak from another meal. It's a carnivorous pile of meat for the T-Rexes in the backyard. Shh, don't tell anybody. Once my onions are ready, I put in the mushrooms and sprinkle it with salt. There's a time loop in our refrigerator, and I just found thyme in it. What do I do with this? Oh, I remember now. I hold it upside down and run my fingers down it to get all the leaves off. What up? Chop it up. Now you need some wine. Wine? I'm not complaining. Pour a cup of wine in to deglaze the pan. Round and round and round it goes. Wherever it stops, no one knows. Pour in 1 cup of chicken broth. I wish I had a time machine to put in all of my thyme. And stir, stir, stir it up. Now I'm gonna add the steak in. Shh, don't tell the T-Rex. Don't burn yourself. Use a hot pad. Couple of splashes of Worcestershire, that stuff. And a heavy squeeze of Grey Poupon. Dijon mustard in the house. Water's boiling. I better put in my egg noodles and stir them up so they don't stick to the pan. While the egg noodles cook and the steak simmers, now we gotta chop up I forgot what it's called. Parsley. Add cream cheese to the beef stroganoff as a thickener. Break it up evenly so it distributes into the sauce. There's an old saying, a chef always has to taste his meals. Oh, that's so good. Add in some parsley to the beef stroganoff. While our egg noodles finish, we assemble our salad. Salad assemble! Stir your egg noodles into your stroganoff. Plate your stroganoff and top with parsley. Delicious. We hit a milestone. Big thanks to everyone for getting my channel to 100 subscribers. You guys are awesome. This has been Cooking with Finn. Keep cooking and stay safe, everyone.
Hey, if you enjoyed Cooking with Finn, do him a favor and hit that like button. And click the subscribe button if you want to be alerted to whenever he live streams or uploads. Thanks so much.